We are off to a late start this morning, but welcome to Pipit FX. We are doing a live New York session, trading session, trading the US30 Dow Jones index on the 1 minute time frame. The market has just opened up about 2 minutes ago, going on 3 minutes ago. Alright. Alright, so let's get set up. Alright, so we're just going to get set up. Yeah, we're just gonna get set up. I'm gonna mark up the charts and see what's up. We're actually gonna let me do this. Start this refresh. Boom. I'm gonna go to the 30-minute time frame. All right, let's get this thing marked up. All right, let's get this thing marked up. Let me see. This is the 30-minute. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's see, the 15-minute. We have a nice little support area down here. Boom. We can actually put these together. Boom. You know what? No, let's take this back. Because that's not even what I'm looking for. Let's be honest. Let me be quite frank. Let me turn these off. Turn off those levels. Sheesh, it was such a bullish market. Alright, yeah, we need some structure. We don't really have any structure here. I can go up to the hour time frame. Let's see. I have breaker structure right here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, sheesh, today, I just think today is just a little rough. Um, yeah, it's like really like no structure or anything. So this is what I'm going to do. Alright, so I'm just marking it up. I know I got started a little behind time, but we're just marking this up. I'm trying to find some important levels. I'm just going to refine them. Let's refine these levels. Yeah, that's about right. Alright, that's one. Let me turn this off. So I'm not, these three levels, I'm not really focused on those. Alright, let's see. We gotta hurry up. I'm probably missing some setups right now. Down to the 1 minute. Come on. Let's get on over. Get on over. Come on. I was about to say, I think prices doesn't allow me to go back that far on this account. See, look, yep. Alright, so this one is a general idea. I can zoom in on this one and refine it. Boom. All right, let's just get back to this. All right, so apparently, yeah, we missed the first setup. We missed the first sell. We went straight to 50 points. Yep, 5 minutes in, we would have been up 50 points already within 2 minutes off of this setup. We got a nice rejection off of this zone. Let's see. Try to make this smaller. All right, let's get it. Let's mark this one off. Boom. Boom. Discontinuation pattern right there. Boom. 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 Let's see. Let's see. All right. It's a pretty rough markup for the morning, but that's that for right now. All right, so yeah, that sucks. So we missed that first setup. That's cool. Let me look at the market. Let me see what's up. What's up? All right, we have the market is 67% short. But almost 400 points positive. So we looking for another bullish market. I don't know why people are selling so much. I have no idea why people are selling right now, but the market is very bullish. If anything, I could see the market possibly breaking below and closing up this gap, because that's exactly what it's doing. It's trying to do that. It's overextended right here because of this gap. Boom, comes down, retraces about halfway in between the gap, right? Does its own retracement, and now it's time to create lower lows, possibly come down to here to 34359 to complete that gap fill, or even down to this level to the other wick, boom, to complete that gap fill. But it could easily come down, fill that gap, and then take off, right? So yeah, that's that. All right, give me a second. I gotta reset my MetaTrader terminal. Oh man, I am tired, y'all. I gotta start waking up earlier. I'm rushing, missing missing trades. But I'm on here. Um, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys even hear me that well. Let's see. Oh yeah, the market is positive 500 points in the, yeah, it's plus 500 points. It just went from 380, a positive 380 points to 510 points, just like that, in a matter of seconds. So, um, and the market is still 67% short. Those people that are shorting the market, bruh, they about to get stopped all the way out. It was a nice little rejection right here off of the zone to take it back up. Let's see where it could go. Yeah, I like this. See, that's crazy. I was actually about to mark off this zone earlier. I don't know if y'all noticed my hesitation, but this entire zone right here seems very good for some resistance. Right, we got the 77886, but this is a continuation pattern right here. This is a continuation pattern up here. So we have two continuation patterns created within this retracement area. Right. Right. So we have that. Let's get that out of there. Let me see. This was a retracement point. We have another sell setup coming up. All right. So in regards to this right here, we had a nice retracement to the 77, rejection off of the 786. It held at the 786. So our target could easily be the 27, 786 to the 27. This could easily be going down to this level and rejecting off of it. Image level, boom. Yeah, so we should be finding some support around here. So if a sale does come in, uh, I have to really think about that. I would want the sell setup to come like have the have price actually break into here. Oh man, I'm having trouble. My MetaTrader terminal again. It's shutting down. It keeps crashing. My internet connection is just fine. The stream says excellent connection. Yeah, I don't know what's up. But anyway, let's see. Let's see. We had a nice rejection. Boom. Right there. Comes down. Which is good. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so alright, from here, we need some type of indication. We need some type of indication that price is going to continue to push up. Or we need price to push down. Right? Alright, there goes my terminal. There we go. We are in action, people. All right, let's get it, people. Let me see. Let me see. All right, you know what? Let me go to a higher time frame. Let's see if we can get some perspective of all of this going on. Yeah, I have to fill this gap. I know my terminal, my MetaTrader terminal, there's actual price right here. It's not a gap. There's an actual candle right there. But that could have been that could have just been the broker filling in the gap. I don't know. All right, there goes our indication to go to the upside. All right, let's just keep. You just gotta stay patient, people. 60 is up 1%. 68% of people are short. It was 67. Now it's 68. More people are shorting the market. They are insane. They're shorting the market, and it's 586 points in the positive, the futures. So I think that's just goofy. That is goofy behavior. You feel me? All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, as y'all can see, boom. There goes our indication right there. Take it to the upside. Now, what we could see right here, nice little rejection to the upside. So load this about 45. Risk of 45 underneath there. And we take it up there. That's what I'm gonna do right there. You hear me? Y'all hear me placing the trade? That's my pending order. I'm taking it to the upside. I'm risking eighth of a percent. Going for a quarter. I'm going for a 0.5% on this move. Alright, we're just being patient. We need a nice little rejection. Return down here to take it up. Now, if it keeps pushing, like, yeah, you see how price is moving right now? It keeps pushing upwards. If it keeps pushing up, we're just going to ignore this. I'll delete this position. All right, people. So contemplating this low could easily get swept. Even this low could easily get swept. So that's why I'm keeping a very tight stop loss. I don't want to bring it down here and it gets swept and then it actually continues to break down, or it takes me out and then goes into the direction I want it to go. Um, I'm just going to take a small loss on that if it does go against me, and then I'll re-enter on a better setup. Yeah, the market, it may want to just keep going up, finish this retracement. It's created a higher high. I mean, this is technically a lower high, but then it creates a higher low, right? Creates a higher high right now. It might create a higher low at my entry and then push up. That's what I'm anticipating. Yeah, so that's what I'm anticipating right now. All right, so I am in the market. Hopefully this position holds. It has to hold. It has to hold, and I'm stopped out. All right, small loss on that. Small loss on that. No, actually, wait. I'm still in a position on my terminal. I'm still in position on my terminal. Hey, okay, come on, keep pushing up. We need to push up just a little bit more. I'm trying to adjust my stop loss as the market is moving. Ah, there goes that rejection, that continuation to the downside. Up, here comes that sell setup. Come on. There we go. All right, cool, 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 cool. It's holding, it's holding. No, come on, no. 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 Is it gonna take me out? I thought it was actually gonna hold. It might sweep underneath that temporary low and then push back up. Who knows? But we'll see. Actually, you know what? Oh man, I didn't even. I'm messing up. I forgot to change my lot size. I'm risking 1% on this position, not at 80%. Stopped out. Yeah. Damn, I just lost 1%. Ah man, you fucking asshole, Daryl. Oh, there goes the sell setup. We got a sell setup. This could easily be just a setup. I mean, you can say that was a loss. We take that as a loss. First trade of the day. Is that the sweep that I was calling for? All right, let's see. Let's see how the market moves. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Ah, shit. Come on, come on. 200. All right, cool. All right, I just moved my stop loss and a profit off of this sell. There you go. I might be able to get this 1% back. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, man. There we go. There we go. Boom. Got the 1% back. All right. So just got my 1% back on that move. Full TP for 50. All right. So let's say, boom. All right. So this is a green light. Got a green light on this one. Boom. But this was bad. Break below, break below. Is it going to find support right there? It has to break below. Because I believe it's still trying to, if we remember what I said at the beginning of the session, I believe it's still trying to fill this gap. So I can see it breaking below and continuing down. Even though it seems overextended, we have some divergence right here. This could easily be a sweep of these lows and take it back up. But I believe that it wants to complete this gap fill. Once it completes that gap fill, then the market will be pushing up, because the market, the futures, is it's heavily in the green. So we lost 45 points on that one. We gained 50 points on this next move. So we're up 5 points so far for the session. Yeah. What did I say? Is this a sweep or what? Sweep of these lows, right? Of this zone. So I'm sure some people had this marked up and had their stop losses under here. Unless this is the break, and right here we're looking at this retest for it to come back down. And if that's the case, we're going to look for a setup to take it down to this next zone to fill this gap, right? Then after it fills that gap, we can just imagine how many sellers will be in the market, and then it'll start pushing up for the rest of the day. But who knows? This could be a sweep, like I said. Boom. It could break above. Yeah, that was a nice little situation. It broke below this zone. Boom. Now it's rejecting. It's retracing. All right, let's see how this plays out, people. And we getting a nice little rejection off of this area. Trying to clean up this chart. Let's clean up the chart real quick. I think that was it right here. Boom. We got the breakdown. What do we get? The breakdown. We got the retracement, slight retracement, and we're getting the breakdown to this next zone. I need an indication. I need some type of indication that it's going to continue, because it could easily just find some support ball and turn around on us, right? Right? Now, let me see. Let me make sure I'm looking at this right. All right. Yeah, this could have easily. This was a nice little scalp after it broke these levels. All right. Let me see. Boom. But anyway, if anyone is interested in using the U30 Striker, US30 Strikers indicator, feel free to just comment below or send them a direct message of it or anything like that. And yeah, we'll get you set up. We're gonna start doing some giveaways once we start getting like more people subscribing to the channel. Once we get some subscribers to the channel and actually get some viewers, we're gonna start giving away gifts. I have some laptops over here that I've been waiting to give away. And look at that break below. We could actually scalp that as soon as we seen that break below and close with that last candle. I like that wick from the top side. Could have got a nice scalp out of that. Hold up here, I'll be right back. We're just being patient, waiting for the next setup. is it looking like, people? How about it? Look at that rejection. Yeah, it looks like price wants to continue down. Yeah, it's looking like price wants to continue down. What happened to the stream? Is it connected? Oh, yeah, we're still connected. All right, cool. We are still connected and streaming live. Look at that nice push to the downside. I could have held that sell. Ooh, I would have been up like 2% right now. Ooh. I would have been up 2% on that move, so I would have actually been up 1% for the day. Remember, I took a loss of 1%, and then I actually got that 1% back. So I'm up like 5 points in the positive right now. Yeah. I could see this coming down further. Wait, we have what, 10 points? It's gonna fill this. Watch. It's gonna do this wick fill. Get ready for this wick fill, people. What is that? 29 points. Here we go. I'm about to hop in. 29 points. We're gonna fill this bad boy up. Alright, so we're gonna get a nice little rejection. We have to break. Now we have a solid break. We're gonna get a nice retracement and then a continuation. And that's all we need. That is all we need. Is it going to give us that wick fill now? I don't know if it's going to give it to us now. It's about 29 points. There we go. There we go. Oh, my terminal just froze. Oh, man. Sheesh. It froze for like a solid 5 seconds. As soon as I seen price break below this halfway mark, so we talking about, alright, we're talking about this was 29 pips, so I just rounded it off. I said this is a 30 pip gap, right? 30-point gap that I seen the market trying to fill. As soon as it hit over past 15 points, I pressed close, but it didn't stop me out until the candle closed. So it got me out. I tried to close it down here, and it didn't close me out until up. I tried to close it out down here, and then it didn't close me out until up here. But whatever. We got that wick, well, we got a somewhat of a wick fill. It tried. But, yeah, there we go. I believe price needs to retrace, though. It's a little overextended now. Now, we do have these breaks of structure. So, if that's the case, alright, how long have we been streaming? I'm trying to keep this one short. We've already I've taken a loss. I missed the first setup, which was a win. Full TP, 50 points. Second sell setup, full TP for 50 points. I missed the first setup trying to mark up the charts. I hopped on late. That's what happens when you miss opportunities when you're doing stuff late and not prepared. So that's on me. So the first two setups of the day went for 50 points. and the market is still bearish for the time being. There goes that wick fill. What did I say? It literally just completed its wick fill right here. Boom. It's completing its wick fill right now. Wait. It needs few more points. I think it's going to do a few more points, create some divergence, and then pop up to the upside. Cause let's see. Let's humor me, right? Humor me from the most latest low identified to that high identified. See, it's working its way down, right? Working its way down. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, 786, 886. Come on, people. We know where it's trying to go. It's trying to hit one of these. It's trying to hit one of these levels right here. Boom. Boom. That's it. Didn't I say that? It's either going to try to fill this wick gap or this gap right here. And guess what? 886 fills that one. 786 fills this one. So what do you think is happening? I'm going for, I'll probably enter down here. I'm gonna do 50-point stop. Let me take it all the way up. There's a first TP. That's what, 4-1. Then the next one is about 7-1. And then we could take it up here, 9-1. And then we even got 11-1. Alright? That's what we're going to do. Is it going to hit it? Because guess what? I'm going to buy it. As soon as it touches down there. Come on. Come on. I'm in. It is absolutely overextended. There's no need, there's no reason price should be pushing down this heavy. It's overextended. What is it doing? It's just trapping. Yeah. This is crazy. I'm interested to see if it's really just going to keep breaking down, breaking these lows. Because if it breaks this low, oh yeah, it's pushing down further. I needed to hold this level. You see that? This zone? Yeah, you see that? See how it's holding right there? I mark up these zones almost perfectly to the T, bro. I'm a fucking sniper when it comes to marking up the charts, but these executions got to be more on point. And I kind of had a feeling because look at this. Boom, this setup over here. It literally whipped off of this area. And this is why I pulled my stop loss down further, because I noticed that there was this continuation over here. I needed to find some support, pick up some orders and turn around. And look at that. All right. There we go. There we go. In profit. Come on now, find some support. There you go. Find some support and take off to the upside. Take off to the upside. I don't know if y'all see it, but I called it. What I say? Comes down, breaks, boom, retest, boom. It comes down to here. Now this is where we figure out what the market is going to do. Is it going to turn back around? Let me check. Let me see what's up. Um, let's see. 68% of retail traders are shorting the market. The market is 400 points in the positive. Baby, we looking for buys, baby. Those sell setups were just traps. Unless the market is just so heavily in the red, it can't be. Now, don't be surprised if it says what the market's 68%. Don't be surprised if it wants the market to be like 70%, 72% shorting, and then all of a sudden the market turns bullish. All right, the market is moving pretty slow this morning. This is going to be the last setup or the last entry for the stream. We've been streaming. Oh man, how long have we been on here for? I don't even know. I have no idea. I think we've been on here for like an hour now. I believe it's been like an hour. So let me check this. How long has it been? Oh yeah, just about an hour. Just under 2 hours. I mean, just under an hour. All right, so this is going to be our last setup for the day, people. And we're just going to see how this plays out. I might sign off early, but what we're going to do, I'm going to wait until it stops us out. I'll stream until it stops us out. At least it'll be live. I'm not trying to hide anything, any losses or anything. If it stops us out, boom, it stops us out. That's the end of the stream. Move on to the next day. If it breaks above this level right here, right? If it breaks above 34343 and closes, what I'll do is I'll actually move my stop loss into break even. And then let the position just rock out because I don't feel like sitting in front of this computer watching this chart all day. The market is moving pretty slow. It's already made its move for the most part. Had a nice little retracement. Because I was late, I wasn't able to actually mark this up and identify this as a retracement for that break of structure. Boom. And a push down, right? Boom. Nice little retracement. This is a small retracement, but push down. Boom. So yeah, when you wake up late and you're unprepared, you miss out on opportunities, and in this industry, you miss out on money. Looking good, looking good, looking good. I like this candle. I like this candle. We need a break above. There we go. We need a nice bullish candle, a solid bullish candle. And once it breaks above and closes, you're gonna find this is what we're gonna see the market do. We're gonna have a close, right? And then we're gonna have a nice little retracement back to this zone to take it back up. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Break above this zone, retrace back down to it, and then take it up. All right. So we are in the money. We are blue. I'm up what, 1/4% right now. I'm up 1/4%. I am up a 0.5%. Well, almost a 0.5%. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. It is pushing. Next candle opened up bearish, so it could easily retrace right here, or it could retrace and find some rejection or support and push back up. I am up almost a 0.5% on this position. Come on. What did I say? I needed to break above 34343. Once it breaks above 34343, we got 30 seconds left on this candle. All right, there we go. Boom. I just broke a 0.5% right there on that candle. There goes that. We still need that break. It's pulling all the way back now. All right, what did I say? We're going to find some rejection. We need to find some more support. It's probably going to try to sweep below that previous low again before it comes back up. So I probably should have just accepted my 0.5% right there. Okay, I mean, I could do like a really, really tight stop at break even. I'm gonna give it some time to mature. I'm gonna give this position some time to mature. We've been in it for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like almost 15 minutes now. We've been in this position. So There we go. There goes the rejection that I was looking for. Yep, that's what I say. That break, I mean, not the rejection, but the retracement and the rejection at that zone. It came back down. It's wicking right off of it. I was down to break even. I was actually in a negative a point or two, but now I'm almost back up to that 0.5%. Up, it's coming back down. So all right, we're just gonna wait. It's gonna find some support. It's probably gonna sweep those lows, take out those lows, and then come back up again. We were almost there. I was almost there. I just wanted to break above 34343. That's all I wanted. To that break above and close. That'd have been a nice indication. What's it looking like? Looks like it's gonna break down and take us out. Damn, is it really gonna take us out? It's up 0.5%. Now I'm down 1%. How about that, people? Listen, if the market keeps breaking down, like I said, I'll take this loss, and that'll just be the end of the trading session anyway. So I'm not even tripping. Um, I'm up like a 0.5% for the day. So if I get taken out, I get taken out. I'll just take the loss of a 0.5%. I'm up a 0.5%. My risk right now is 1%. So it's about to stop me out. Yeah, it's stopping me out, people. Yeah, missed that. I closed that position. Looks like the market wants to seriously keep pushing down, like aggressively. All right, so that's a loss right there. Take that loss. Boom. I was up a 0.5%. Should have just taken it. Is the market still setting up for that sell? Or is this just that sweep and it's going to continue back up? Yeah, let's see. All right, so that's it for the day, y'all. We took that loss. I did enter that sell position, but I'm not really too focused on this. It's a small position. This is basically one of those I'm trying to break even positions, but I'm going to manage this position closely. As soon as it hits some targets, I'm out of the market. But that is it for today, people. Not too much luck. I mean, not luck, but not too much going on today. Started late, and it showed. Unprepared, you make mistakes. So I'm just going to end it right here, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you tomorrow.